Two men are dead following a confrontation with cops in downtown Kingston Friday morning. The deceased have not yet been identified. According to reports reaching Observer Online, gunmen traveling in a blue Toyota Vitz motorcar shot and killed a man on Orange Street in the vicinity of the Tranquility Funeral Home. The gunmen were later engaged by members of the police force, and a shootout ensued. As a result, the gunmen crashed into a post in the vicinity of the Jamaica Fire Brigade station. More details to come. A man was shot dead and a woman shot and injured by gunmen in Bell Retiro near Richmond in Manchester on Thursday night. Police named the deceased as Alfredo Ferguson, 42, otherwise called Six. Residents said Ferguson was a construction worker who also went by the alias Blacks. A police report said that around 8:45 p.m. Ferguson and the woman were having a conversation in a yard when gunmen attacked them and opened fire. They reportedly ran in separate directions. Ferguson collapsed on a dirt track. The two injured people were taken to hospital where Ferguson was pronounced dead and the woman treated for a gunshot wound to her hand. The partially burnt body of a man was discovered in Dove Hall district in Linstead, St. Catherine on Thursday afternoon. The body, which is up to press time was still unidentified, was found by residents in bushes, police said. Reports are that the authorities were summoned to the area and arrived around 4:20 p.m. The police were led by a citizen about 300 meters from the main road along a dirt track close to Dove Hall River. On arrival, a partially burnt body, appearing to be that of a male, was seen with what appeared to be burnt-out tires along the dirt track. Heavy rainfall had hampered the police from processing the scene. However, the body was later removed to the morgue. Police are probing whether gunmen made good on their threats following the killing of a man in Windsor Heights, Central Village, St. Catherine, Wednesday morning. The deceased have been identified as 29-year-old Ryan Romario Minto, otherwise called Boise. Observer Online understands that men who used to be part of a gang, of which Minto was a member, decided to switch allegiance to another in the community. As a result, Minto's former cronies threatened to kill him. Information reaching our newsroom is that about 7:30 a.m. Minto was at home with his mother and other siblings, washing his clothes at the right side of the house when he was attacked. Police said Minto was pounded upon by armed men who opened gunfire, hitting him in the upper body and head. The men escaped on foot while firing several shots in the area. The now deceased was later found beside the house, lying on his back, motionless, by family members. He reportedly had blood on his upper body and face. The police responded and took Minto to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Central Village Police are conducting investigations.